Hello traders, you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. Before we get started, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. In this video, I am taking a look at Money Printer EA. This expert advisor is designed for trading both gold and forex markets, and we're just going to go through the marketplace page, its available features, the settings provided by the developer, and then review the historical backtest performance and results. So starting here on the MQL5 Marketplace page, we can see that Money Printer EA is currently priced at $49 with a 6-month rental option available for $30. The developer listed is Nguyen Ngem Dui, and the version shown here is version 7.0, updated on March 8th, 2022. So according to the description, this EA is designed specifically for gold and forex trading. The developer also mentions that it can be combined with external buy and sell signals to help follow trends and allows users to select buy only or sell only operation for a more semi-automatic trading approach. As I scroll through the settings section, there are quite a few customization options available. Users can define the maximum number of orders, choose whether to start or a new order series, and adjust the starting lot size. There are also separate controls for enabling buy trades and sell trades individually. One setting that stands out is the hedge option. When enabled, the EA can trade in both directions simultaneously. If disabled, trading is limited to a single direction. There is also a built-in money management feature that can automatically calculate lot sizes based on available free margin, along with controls for maximum lot size and lot multiplication for subsequent orders. Right now, risk and trade management settings include configurable take profit, stop loss, trailing stop activation, trailing stop distance, maximum spread control, and trading session hours. The EA also includes a drawdown reduction algorithm, which according to the description attempts to reduce drawdown by closing profitable losing positions together under specific conditions. Now, the developer has also included parameters related to grid spacing between orders, which means users have flexibility when configuring how additional positions are placed within a trading sequence. For recommended usage, the marketplace page suggests using default settings on the M15 time frame for several forex pairs, including Euro USD, GBP USD, GBP JPY, AUD USD, AUD CHF, USD CAD, NZD USD, USD JPY, and USD CHF. The developer also recommends a minimum deposit of $2,000 for forex trading and $10,000 for gold trading. Now, moving into the back testing section, this is where we can review the historical testing performance and see how the EA behaved during the tested period. As always, when evaluating any backtest, it is important to focus on overall consistency, drawdown characteristics, position management, and how the equity curve develops over time, rather than looking at profit figures alone. Okay, so looking at the historical chart activity, we can observe that rather we're looking at the displayed result here on the marketplace page. We can observe that 21% was gotten over 13 weeks, 21% profit here, 23% over 6 weeks. All right, and now we are just going to head over to our strategy tester. Since there is no provided strategy report here, we're going to go to our strategy tester and let's see how the Money Printer EA performed on Euro USD. All right, so we see we're testing the Money Printer on Euro USD on the M15 time frame, as recommended. We're testing from the beginning of this year, 2026 till date, covering about 5.5 months of data, and we are using the random delay every tick modeling. Looking at the results from an initial deposit of $100,000, total net profit of $737.86 was made, and the total trades taken were 267, out of which are 202 were profitable, giving us a 75.66% win rate. All right. And then I can also see that the largest profit was $80.64, largest loss 74.48, and the average profit was 7.13, while the average loss was 10.8. So that shows me that the risk to reward ratio is pretty bad, because you can see the average loss is actually greater than the average profit. Okay. And looking at the historical chart activity, we can observe that the EA is capable of opening multiple positions within a trading sequence, right? So this aligns with the available settings we saw earlier, including maximum orders, grid step controls, lot multiplication, and the drawdown reduction mechanism. The chart history also reflects how trade management settings can significantly influence the overall performance profile. Now, because the EA provides extensive customization options, different parameter combinations can produce very different historical outcomes, and factors such as lot sizing, maximum orders, trailing stop settings, grid distance, and money management configuration can all affect both risk exposure and overall performance. So when reviewing the final results, remember that these are historical backtest results and should not be viewed as a guarantee of future performance. Actual results can vary depending on broker execution quality, spreads, slippage, market conditions, risk settings, lot sizes, and individual optimization choices. So I would also recommend running longer term testing yourself, so you can get a more complete understanding of how the EA behaves across different market environments. Okay, testing multiple symbols, different periods, and various settings can provide a much broader perspective than a single backtest alone. Overall, the Money Printer EA offers a wide range of trade management and risk control settings for traders interested in gold and forex markets. And as always, perform your own testing and optimization before considering any live deployment. All right, so if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications for more valuable trading insights. Okay, I look forward to seeing you in the next review. Thank you for watching. Happy trading.